Hey sweet babies, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. If you like fragrance, makeup, skincare, vlogs, real people, and real talk, definitely subscribe to my channel. So today I'm giving y'all fragrances that if you like this, girl, then you can buy this because they like in the same family, but it might be a little something that might be a little different. But I feel like if you like one, you'll love the other as well, because we don't want to be adding fragrances to our collection we don't like. The first one is Oriana. Oriana by Perfumes de Marly is a fan favorite. A lot of the girls like it. I'm included, okay? And it's so feminine, girly. It's that marshmallow, fluffy type of orange blossom scent. Almost gives you bubblegummy vibes. And we just love this. Like, we love this for us. Now, some people don't feel like the performance is top tier the way it should be. I mean, I feel like it lasts decent for me, you know what I'm saying? I don't feel like it's going away within, you know, the hour, but it's not like the strongest Parfum de Marly ever. But you know, I get it for the price. You're like, girl, it gotta do more. I get it. But if you love this, go on and get Mallow by Adore. This one, I can say the performance is better than Oriana. Now this one, I feel like it's slightly a little more citrus, like has a little more citrus on the top than Oriana, but oh, that fluffy, sweet, marshmallowy, orange blossomy background is just like Oriana. But this one performs. Like, this will be on you all day and it's louder. You're like, this one smells so good. Like, I can't see you not loving this if you love Oriana. Like, I can hardly smell the citruses in Oriana, but this one I get the citruses and I get all that fluffy, sweet goodness, and I love that. So yeah, if you love Oriana, definitely pick up Mallow from Adore. If you love Milk by Commodity, which a lot of us do, like this is the creamy, sweet, milky love with that nice woodiness. It smells like it has a little cinnamon in it. It's like something a little warm, spicy, smoky in there. I've been loving Milk since the first sniff. I was like, ooh, give me that, love it down. Now if you love this, I feel like you're gonna love Lost in a Dream as well. Now, like I said, these are definitely similar, but I feel like this one is less woody. So maybe if Milk was a little too woody for you and you wanted that kind of woodiness kind of calm down, Lost in a Dream is giving you everything. It's so creamy and kind of lactonic. It has that warm spice, same type of warm spice like cinnamon or nutmeg or something like that. Oh, and it also has like a softness to it, like it must be from the croissant. Okay, it gives you like a fluffiness to it, and it makes you feel comforted and cozy, and you just want to, you know, curl up in a warm blanket and just chill and relax. And I have been loving that. If you are a lover of Soleil Blanc, which a lot of us are, and the summertime is coming, vacations are coming up, honey, and we are going to be taking Soleil Blanc with us, right? But if you love Soleil Blanc, which I absolutely do, this is definitely that coconut vanilla, but it's on a much more like elevated upscale. It's not juvenile smelling at all. This is like your summertime vacation, but you want to dress up nice for dinner. This is all white party. This is that vibe. If you love this, I feel like you would absolutely love Fleur d'Ombre by EPC. I feel like EPC has been shutting it down. I've got 3 of them and I love them down. Like, love them down. Now, I did have a discovery set of them, but these were my definite top 3s. I had to have them, but their scents are unique. They are unique, and I feel like you need to spray them and wear them and you will really get the magic of their fragrances. But this right here, this is coconut vanilla, frangipani, just soft creaminess, but on a luxurious type of level, just like Soleil Blanc. Y'all, I tested this out on my hand, and when I tell y'all the performance, honey, if you have any problems with Tom Ford's performance, this is not going to disappoint you. Like, the performance was there. It just smelled so good. It was so long lasting. Every time I moved my hand, I was like, woo, woo. Like, I couldn't stop smelling myself. It was everything. So if you like that scent profile, you got to try this. Good old Vanilla 28. Now, we all love Vanilla 28, don't we? Most of us do, and this is just a nice vanilla, brown sugar, sweet, just super sweet, good for layering with other fragrances, good for wearing it on its own. It's just a nice, comforting, cozy type of vanilla, right? But I feel like if you love this, girl, it's so many other good vanillas out there, and this one that I have been wearing, Amore Cafe by Mancera, I was like, okay, girl. Now I know you see Amore Cafe and you think it's going to be a super strong like coffee type of fragrance. There is coffee in the opening and you get a slight nuance of that, but it doesn't like just give coffee like at all. Like the coffee is definitely much so playing in the background. The star of the show here is that vanilla ice cream and that amaretto, girl. This smells like a nice dreamy creme brulee to me. Like I keep saying this smells like creme brulee, and it does. Oh, it smells so good, so caramelly, like like that toasted caramel is so good. Like this vanilla right here, I have been wearing this on its own. I have been layering this with other fragrances like this. I like this. I like this a lot, and it took me a minute to find another Mancera that I've been liking, and this one I like it. I like it a lot. And then you know how Mancera, like, you don't have no problem with performance issues on this. Like a lot of people be like, vanilla 28 doesn't last. Well, girl, try this. Try this. For my clean girl aesthetic, my clean girl, my soft girl, air girls that like those Your Skin But Better fragrances, and you thought that Glossier You was top tier, and you thought it was the, you know, the Your Skin But Better of all Your Skin But Betters, like, girl, try Sonic Flower by Room 1015. I recently got my full bottle because I had a sample of this and I knew I had to have it. Like, I knew I had to have it. And it's funny because I had the sample of that, loved it so much. That's what made me get Glossier You, because everybody was like, it was Your Skin But Better. And I liked it. I liked the smell, but the performance was top tier trash. Top tier trash. Like, I mean, within the hour, I was like, where are you? Where have you been? Like, where are you? Like, this though, smelled it all day on me, and that's what made me like love it. It's definitely giving you that ambroxan kind of aldehyde, but not too strong, not too sharp, none of that. It's definitely Your Skin But Better, just soft, powdery, almost a little almondy. Oh, it's so good. Like, this is just clean. Just, if you love Another 13, you would love this too. So that's two fragrances. If you love them, you would love this. If you love Another 13, you will hands down love this one too. Santal 33. Santal 33 is a popular Le Labo fragrance between men and women. Like, both of them love that. But that one was slightly a little too dry and masculine for me. Like, that one smells good on Dad, but for me, I was like, it's a little too woody, okay? It's a little too dry, a little too pencil shaving, okay? But I got Fleur de Santal by Attar Collection, and this one is the sandalwood for me. Now this one is definitely giving clean, fresh sandalwood, but it has a little bit of sweetness. It has a little bit of, you know, creamy milkiness. I think milk is even a note in here. So this one is more feminine, but you still get that nice woody sandalwood. Like, you know what I mean? Like, it's not too harsh, not too masculine. Like, this is the one. Yes, this is the one. Now you do have to like sandalwood. You do have to like sandalwood, a dry sandalwood, a woody sandalwood. But this is, like I said, is definitely much more on a feminine scale because of that creamy milk and a little bit of sweetness to it. So this one, if you love Santal 33 or you didn't like it, then give this a try. If you are a sandalwood lover, you would love this. Narciso Poudre. Y'all know I love Poudre. Y'all know I love that luxurious baby powder, sweet, like, this is so good. Like, this is bedtime. This is cozy comfort, just sweet, elegant baby powder, cosmetic powder. And y'all know I live for that. Y'all know I love that. I know a lot of people don't talk about this. A lot of people don't want to smell like baby powder, but the ones that do, the ones that get it, honey. And this right here, like, I don't even want to use this up. It's affordable in all of the things, and I think you can still access it. I think it's discontinued, but you can still kind of get it on a gray market or something like that. But girl, if you love this, you would absolutely love Taco by New Notes. Girl, yes. Now I will say, I feel like Poudre is sweeter, thicker, denser. This one is more of a light, airy type of powder, a luxurious powder. And it's not necessarily baby powder, but it's like luxury powder, you know, like that powder, that big powder puff that your mom or your grandma had. It was like a big puff, like the puff was like this big, and it was in like this circle container. I don't know if it was Avon or what it was, but it was a powder back when women really wore powder, and they like would powder their stuff down, powder their chest down, you know, get them in between them crevices, and smell so good and clean and powdery. And I've always loved that smell. I've always loved that smell. Taco, I love it down. Love it down. Ain't even wore it outside yet, but I don't know, y'all. It's just something about it. I just love that baby powder, clean smell. Like, it ain't even baby powder. It's like a luxurious type of powder. Yeah. So, and then like I said, if Poudre was too sweet, too powdery, too dense for you, this one is more light and airy. So if you love a powdery type of scent, this is bomb. Now our baby Must 12 has sadly been discontinued. If you can find it, grab it if you love it, because I don't know if it's coming back. Okay, I hope Mona brings it back or gives us some kind of musk fragrance in the Kayali family, because I love this. This is in my top 3 favorite Kayali fragrances, and that's why I kind of been babying it, because it's discontinued. And I know I be talking junk about y'all, you know, babying y'all discontinued fragrances, but now I can go ahead and use this up, because honey, this Raina J Musmocious, this right here, it's replacing that. It really, really is. This smells so similar to it, and it might even be slightly a little sweeter. This smells so good. Like, if you love Must 12, you love musky, soft, feminine fragrances, like, you have to get your hands on this. It's not super expensive. It's niche, like affordable niche. And I really feel like if you love musky fragrances, Must 12, Must Therapy, Kryptonite, like, you would love this fragrance. I am so glad I have this in my collection. Now I can go ahead and use Must 12 and get her gone out the door, because I can't get her no more. But this has replaced that want for me. Lastly, our girl 100 Silent Ways. Like, this is a fan favorite, as she should be. Okay, this is such an easy reach, easy wear, easy grab and go. You can dress it up, dress it down. Like, when you put this on, you just know that you smell good. It's giving fruity, it's giving floral, it's giving feminine, it's giving like all of the things. Like, this is so good. The performance on it is good. I have no problem with that, and I just love this fragrance. Definitely a beginner friendly niche type of fragrance. And if you love this fragrance, you will also love Gossip Night by Griti. Like, this right here, I feel like this one is even a little more dressier, a little more grown up, a little more class. You know what I'm saying? Like, the peaches in here are so good. It smells like it has some kind of whipped cream or chantilly cream in it too, so it gives it like a slight little creaminess to it. So I feel like, you know, that one is day and this one could be night. You know what I'm saying? The white bottle is giving us all white party, so it's like you want to dress up with it. Like, I think this is perfect. I think this is also beginner friendly, but if you like that one, I don't see how you would not like this one. So those are fragrances in my collection that I feel like if you like this one, you would like this one too. So go on and grab it, girl. Let me know down in the comments what are fragrances that you think, if you like this one, you like that one too. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, comment, share, and of course subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one.